This is ProtestCam, a handheld device built on the Arduino Uno Q that lets anyone document a protest without exposing the people in it. It's designed to be carried, visible enough that nobody mistakes it for a hidden camera. One button. That's all it takes. Capture the scene, blur every face, generate a caption, and publish it to X, Instagram, and Threads simultaneously. In seconds, from the ground to the world, with nobody in the frame at risk. Hi, we're Luke, Angie, and Isabella from UC Berkeley. What you just saw is ProtestCam, a device we built for our critical making class. The prompt was to design a novel protest object using the Arduino Uno Q's AI capabilities. We started by asking ourselves a simple question. Why don't we go to protests? We're at Berkeley, the birthplace of the free speech movement, and none of us had ever been to one. The answer was fear. Right now, the State Department is scanning student social media with AI. Students across the country are deleting their accounts, removing their names from organizations, staying home. There's a name for this: the chilling effect. People stop exercising their rights because they fear retaliation. So we set out to build something that lets anyone document a protest and get the story out without exposing anyone in the frame. Inside the device, we're running the Arduino Uno Q, and the dual processor architecture is what makes this project possible. The MCU handles the hardware trigger and camera input. The MPU runs a full Linux environment with Python, which is where all of our AI processing and network calls happen. Without both processors working together, we couldn't run face detection, image processing, API calls, and a web interface all on a single portable board. When the button is pressed, the camera captures a frame and our Python pipeline takes over. First, OpenCV runs a HAR Cascade face detector locally on the MPU. Every face it finds gets a Gaussian blur applied. Then the original unblurred frame is sent to GPT 4.1 Mini Vision, which generates a one-sentence journalistic caption describing the scene. The privacy design here was intentional. The AI sees the original image, so the caption is accurate, but that original is never saved and never transmitted. Only the blurred version ever leaves the device. Once the image is blurred and the caption is written, the posting agent takes over. The blurred JPEG gets encoded to base 64 and uploaded to Blotato's media servers. Once I get back a hosted URL, the code publishes the image to social media. ProtestCam, built on the Arduino Uno Q. Amplify the message. Protect the messenger.